Hi, and welcome back to a Bremen High School District 228 tech tutorial. And I'm showing you now how to publish the short screencast that I did earlier. So I'm using Screencastify, and it's untitled as of right now. So I'm showing you how to do that. We're going to click there, and we're going to call this how to publish. Okay, and now that we've titled it, we're going to go ahead and click on Publish to YouTube. Now, if that's your choice, it came up, if you saw that very quickly, it said add a YouTube channel. So I just clicked on that initially. And so then, because I'm signed into my Gmail at Bremen High School, my name comes up. And now, instead of publishing it as private, that's probably what I'll do because this is a tutorial. But I'm eventually, when I go to publish it, I'm going to click on public. Okay, because I want everyone to be able to go to our Bremen High School Library YouTube channel and look at this. So then I'm going to just click upload. And it will say like, oh, it's ready to roll, but it's not. You have to wait like a couple minutes. But another thing you might want to do is share to your classroom after you've completed a screencast. So I'm going to click on that. And just so you know, I probably repeated this before, but when you have the free version, it's limited to 5 minutes of a screencast. So you can just keep, you can do part 1, part 2, and just link them together. So it's taking me to my Google Classroom. I'm going to share it to a class. So I'm going to choose a class that I am not using anymore. It's called Red Queen Book Club from last year. I'm going to click on that. And then the action, I'm just going to make it an announcement. And you click go. And this way all the kids will know that you've posted something. Here is my sample. And then I'll just click post. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact any District 228 library media specialist. Of course, the ones at your school know you a little better, but feel free to contact any of us through email. And we all have Google Voice numbers. Thank you.